Okay, quick video. Um, I just got a new Fire Stick. My other one's a little slow. And the new one has the developer option missing. And that's what lets you download like VPNs or whatever you want to sideload. The way you enable them is you want to go to the little gasket there, the little sprocket, which is settings. And you want to go down to My Fire TV. You want to click About. And right there where it says Fire Max TV, yours is going to say Fire Stick, or maybe it's the same model, whatever it is. On the remote, you're going to press this button multiple times. And that's going to let you in. And now you should be able to go back. And there's developer options. Go in. Install unknown apps. There we go. And I'm selecting downloader to be my conduit test. So if you get a new Fire Stick and you can't find the developer options, just follow those steps and you should be fine. I hope this helps.